Okay, my name is Thomas Gries. I'm Professor and Global University of Paderborn. So the reasons why we have look at the reasons, and then there may be also strategies for solving them. However, before we don't know really the reasons why we have that, good solution. Definitely, education is very, very important. If you look at the how these viruses is spread verbally. If you look at it, for example, I think it is to stop the recruitment of fighters, recruitment of people who radicalize via looking at the internet, looking at the recruitments of only looking at military. There may be some needs. Before military, there are lots of other things we can do, and one major thing is looking at the channels of recruitment. In my view, military action at some stage, and maybe not to avoid, but in the first place, there's something like something like the recruitment and then the reasons why we have these